By the way, I don't even know if I have my... Is my avatar even enabled? Is he here? Ah, there we go. Okay, that's good. Turning go. Let's hope that doesn't go black this time. So we'll see. Hopefully things work today. We'll see. There we go. And I am here. Let's go to the middle. All right. Let's see if did I push? Pull, I mean. Hopefully everything works. There we go. Meow, meow.
Timer loop is enabled.
Good. Okay. Coffee. I should be connected. Why are you not connected? There we go. What do I have on my... Let's see. Nothing. All right. Oh, there we go. Oh, wow. Hopefully the YouTube music player works today. Otherwise, I have to fix that. I don't think I need to fetch. Let's just go. I think the randomize doesn't work properly, so we'll see. And let's just move some stuff over here. There we go. There we go. Pre-rolls are disabled for 32 minutes. Wow, even though we're only one person. Insane. What is this? What? It doesn't show. It's fucking broken here. I don't know. Okay, let's get going. Sorry, I'm a bit late. Today we're gonna make things look okay. You know, let's have that one second, I think. I'm a bit late, I know, but I've been... I had to make some food, so I was a bit late, and I've been working. Not on this, though. I should probably have water, but I don't, so... Whatever. There we go. No sound detected? What is this bullshit? I don't know. TikTok sucks. There we go. There's probably sound that just doesn't understand that I'm speaking. Hello, Video Monster and Puffin. Hope you're doing great. And there we go. Let's see. Should I start Discord with my alt? Yeah, so it's gonna be like a 4-hour stream or something. I set up this week's schedule a bit different. Let's see. Instead of what was that font? Okay, instead of I just did this. I don't know. every day I'm gonna start at 13 unless I finish my other work, and then I'm gonna start earlier, basically. Because last week I kind of procrastinated a bit. I didn't do much of the stuff that I should do. Well, I didn't do it like until very late, and that's not good. I don't want to stress too much about that. My video editing stuff, you know? So, please work today. No, you don't work. Okay. So maybe I need to get a browser for you. You do not work. Okay. I'm live. We're good. This little thing does not work as it should. I don't remember where that is. Is it in... I think it's... Is it R? It's... is it bash RC? No. No, it's not. Why did I do that? Do we have... wait a minute. QE graph. QE graph. I don't remember how I made that start. Maybe I need to fix that later. Is it Pipewire? No, it's not. Whatever. I'm gonna struggle with this today as well. I need it to go into the VBAN, so we'll see. Anyway, let's just go. I think it's... oh, not. Maybe it's because one of them have videos and the other ones don't. I don't know. Whatever. Let's go. I hope you're doing great. Mint Cat, yes. And I should start Godot, I think. Not really sure what to do today. I'm just gonna check my notes and see where I'm at. I think I want to just make the first chapter good, and I don't want to touch it that much. The story and all that, I Whisper helped me a bit yesterday with my text, and it's very like it doesn't feel good, and so there's some stuff I need to do that, but I'm probably gonna do that off stream. But I might do some small edits today. So I just want the first chapter like have a... it's gonna feel as cohesive as possible, basically. Oh, I forgot to start the YouTube chat. I'm sorry. I'm gonna take a look if maybe you said something and I missed it. Oh, encoding overloaded. Oh shit. Who cares? We don't care. It can do fine. It's fine. All right. I want my YouTube to be everywhere, please. Always. Right. So let's take a look at my notes. What did I do? Background of a road or something. And the backgrounds I won't be able to do today because basically I'm gonna see what I should do. I have some ideas. So anyway, by the way, Puffin, thank you for sending the stuff for that I should read. Really appreciate it. There's a bunch of stuff that I'm kind of scared of doing right now, and I'm afraid of breaking stuff. But thank you so much. I'm afraid of breaking stuff. Really appreciate it. There's like I want to check out how signals work and how you kind of connect stuff together. Like because you have to, if you want to make a game, you kind of have to work like that, I think. Or you could just work in layers and then like each scene has their, but it feels weird to do everything over and over again. I don't know. But at the same time, if you connect stuff that you don't really see any connection between, I think it's gonna kind of mess things up. I think signals might be the way to go because I did get a on Discord that I might check out later. Was it in the game dev? I need to add an icon here. Signal showcase. We might check that out. I just need to check it's safe for stream. I haven't checked it out yet, so I'll check it later. Maybe I can get a better understanding of how it works. So, I know I kind of have an idea for a title, but we'll see if people like that. Read about singletons. I can put that here. It's ready. I can make the caps lock as well. I think that's how it spells. There we go. Expressions. That's she needs to do that soon. Each website, that's not something I need to do today. People laughing sound. We're not finding sounds today. Background of a road. I can put that here. Image of a cigarette. Background photo badge. I don't know what I mean about that. I'm gonna add a thing here. Leave sitting on the edge of a coffee mug. There we go. Blender. And background. Come with the title for the game. I think I can do that today. Careful with the darker part of the story. I don't know. It's just advice. By the way, I need to check if it actually works. First. Yeah, it works. Angry looking down at feet. What is this for? Why didn't I add a chapter over here? Post characters for chapter 1. This one can kind of finish this. Hello, broken demo disc. How are you doing? Thinking with hand looking down. Oh, I know what I mean with this one. This is kind of like the thinky. A tiger told me green cat. A tiger? Did Puffin do it? What? The tiger? Or the Tony the tiger? Tony the tiger. I had a fucking fever dream about this guy since we talked about him. I had this, like, yet another tiger. I saw it like in my dream, and he just did this. It's great, you know that thing. No, it wasn't like that. And then he just did. It's great, but he did it so slow, and it was in the. It took like. It felt like it took hours, and it was like in slow motion. It was so fucking creepy. And that was it. That wasn't pleasant. I'm sorry. Kellogg's, yeah. I guess it. We'll see if he shows up again in my dreams. Yeah, super slow. It was so fucked up. I don't know, with the thumbs up. I don't know, man. And then I woke up. I'm like, oh my god, I should have that on my stream, like a redeem. But I'm like, after that, I'm like, no, that's probably a bad idea. It's gonna be fucked up. Singleton. Dude, I'm not gonna look at stuff like that now because I barely understand what it is, dude. Single. Do it. No. It's terrible. Hi, Demo. Singleton. I don't know what it is. Good old. It's just a classic and exist once. Oh. And then it. Okay. I like that you explain it simple, you know. Because of variables like this, public, I did. Oh, that's why they call singleton? Oh. Boards of Canada fucking rocks, dude. Boards of Canada, is like my autumn music music, to be honest. I love them. They're so good. I like the lo-fi thingy. I would laugh if you had a Tony the Tiger. Dude, I don't even know how he looks like when he says it. I don't remember. It's great. What the fuck? It's Tony the Tiger. It's great. Is that what he says? They're great. He says they're great. Yeah. This is an old one. This one is not how I remember. What is this? This is from like the 70s, dude. He looks so different. What the fuck? What is this?
I know, great!
They suck. Okay. Let's see if we can do it. They're old, the commercials. Hello, Katja. Pretty sure state machine would be a singleton. Oh, but then I need to learn. For the next project, I know I want to make some kind of game with movement and stuff and states. Then I need to learn state machine. State machines, I tried to learn that before, but it was so fucking hard. Because whenever you find a tutorial explaining it, you don't find a good one. They do everything without like typing out variables and stuff like that in names. Instead, they just tell you what to do, and they don't tell you what it does. So it was really hard to figure that out, to be honest. Okay. But I want one where he kind of looks at you, you know? Why is this 1999 TV commercial? What the fuck is that? Oh. Oh, that's so... Oh my god, that's rotoscope. Well, you shouldn't eat snow. Frosted Flakes. They're great. Imagine how it would sound like. Absolutely terrible. No more Kellogg's cornflakes, dude. The 90s. Shout out to 1999. No one. There were like no rules. Everyone does what they do want to do. Okay, let's actually do something. Think. I had my list. Singletons. I'm gonna check this out when I can. But if I get too much into like coding and stuff like that I might not need right now, I think I might actually not finish. I would love to just get into it, but it's gonna take a long time, and trying to figure this out on stream isn't super easy. Stuff like this I need to do, like get a basic understanding of off stream. I think that's when I look at tutorials and just sit and smash my head against the wall. But thank you so much. I think these are signals, and singletons gonna be good. Careful with the darker. Let's see. Alignment icon. I'm already working on that. I'm making an icon similar to the characters in Omori, with the squiggly lines and all that. I think it's gonna look pretty good. Chapter 2. No, let's clean chapter 1. Let's clean it up. I got some notes from Vesper actually. It's gonna be part in Swedish though. Yay! Are we getting more? Boards of Canada? Maybe because I added 2. Yeah, for those that haven't heard, Boards of Canada, super chill band. Sort of very unique sound. You can just fall asleep to it, just zone out, super nice. Let's see, visual novel. I think you had an edit here. I don't know why she did it so big. Small, I mean. So there are some... Oh my god. Some things I need to do. Everyone. Everybody. No, not everyone. Is it everybody or everyone? Canada, that's my country. It's a good country. Aphex Twin rocks, dude. But Aphex Twin Archer, I can't pronounce their name, but also very good band. I don't know if they are from Canada, but you never know. Canada is my city. It's the best city in the world. Love Canada. Let's take a look. You see, I have to explain this. I made this temporary game title. You know, it's called this. Ports of Canada or Scottish? I don't know. Ports of Canada. They're very like, yeah, Scottish. Is it? I think Aphex Twin might be Scottish as well. No, British. I don't know. You never know. Singletons. That's very cool. There we go. I made this as a because I wanted Vesper to check out what she needs to, what kind of expressions she should do and stuff. And I added this chapter 1 only right now. I don't know why I added this. This makes no fucking sense. With this, I meant that if you press this start game, you're only gonna get chapter 1. But she's like, "What is this? I don't understand." So I'm just gonna remove that. Over here. Game. Where is you game scenes? Yeah. So I don't know. I'm gonna try to work, and during the evening today, I'm gonna try to
Changing to the life to the model.
Wow, that didn't work at all. Why? Why didn't that work? Could it be because we don't have any model maybe? Do we have a model now? Why is he sleeping? I'm gonna read soon. I need to figure this out. What the fuck is going on? Well, now he's gonna be Miku. Cute kitty. Yeah, but he's sleeping. This makes no sense. Let's see. Well, British is Scottish. Not, Scotland is part of the United Kingdom. Yeah, well. Yeah, but it usually says where they're from, you know. That actually confused me for a second. I think it... Bank of Canada? Yeah. Who glued your eyes shut? I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Just a second. Why doesn't it work? Why are you broken? I had to reinstall Steam. Maybe that's the case here. Just a second. I couldn't start Steam, so it just didn't work. So I had to restart it, like reinstall it. There we go. He's alive. There we go. Good. We're back. Okay. I don't know. We talked about British. I don't know. I haven't made anything so far. Yeah. I'm about to go to the title screen. There we go. But yeah. By the way, Puffin, I thought about that. I mean, in the future, maybe if you have the energy and feel like you want to improve your coding skills, maybe there's a game jam where I could be the artist, you know, or something like that. Or plan. I could be the creative, you know. But that would mean it would have to be a project that you feel like is possible to make, you know. Nothing big. And when his eyes open, you hear a violent tearing sound. What? What's up? Let's remove this. I don't know what this is. Is it this one? There we go. Yeah, delete. Broken. Why do you have a demo disc? I actually know what I think I know what the game is gonna be, but we call, I don't know. Here we go. Label. Is it this one? There. When we I'm implying someone super glued. Don't super glue my eyes. What is that? Simon. Oh, I think I saw Simon. That's the yeah. He lost. They lost all their stuff. I think they didn't have it backed up. Demo. Check your whispers. What are you doing? Hooking up. Okay, that works. Let's see where. There we go. And now we're gonna see what we need to do here. I'm gonna go into my edits. Everybody. I think it should be everybody or everyone. Everybody or everyone. I don't think it should be. There's not much difference, but I mean every person. And a bit more casual. More informal than anyone. Then I'm gonna keep that. Let's see. I'm gonna. It all happened so quick. Why did I do it? What actually happened? All right. But I don't think I need to do that. All right, screw it. I don't need to edit too much of the text today. How's the game going? It looks like this. I'm just gonna go through it. It takes about 30 minutes until I kind of get on track. So right now I'm just spinning around in circles. Tyndall? Oh, there. There are some stuff with, since I'm Swedish, we realized that a lot of sentences are they're like, the grammar is like Swedish. It's kind of backwards, you know? Yeah, it does work. So I need to go take a look at that. I might actually post the script on my Discord so people can like check out. You can see they don't have any expressions yet, just text. So, but yeah, it does work. At the end of last stream, I started to fix this first chapter. Oh, right. I'm gonna add something here. Custom font per character in small box. There we go. Were you reading Danish? The grammar is backwards and like Swedish. No, it's Swedish, but it's kind of backwards. If that makes any sense. Story. Wait a minute. This one should be good up. So they should have their own like font. I can put that here. Okay, can you do that one? There we go. Yeah, Norwegian is very similar to Swedish in text, but language as well. But when it's spoken, it's a bit different. I mean, I'm happy to go over it if you like. Yeah, well, I need to make the script first, and then I might post each of them in like their own little thread on Discord so people can comment. Is it night at your place? No, it's this time. You see here? You can't see it. It's probably, but it's like I just had lunch, basically. I'm so sort of like Portuguese and Spanish. Yeah, exactly like, but Portuguese and Spanish. Yeah. So Swedish and Norwegian is very, very similar. I would never understand the Finnish, but Finnish people would understand me because they learned Swedish at school to some extent. And I would have a very hard time with someone from Northern Norway. And as the same, I would have very hard time with someone from Denmark. I can't understand Danish, but it's like I have to have my concentration at max. It is hard to understand for me. we have this song again. Well, the song, I think songs, the music works as long as I don't shuffle. Like, I understand some Spanish and realize it's weird. I can sort of read written Portuguese, but spoken Portuguese is weird. So here's the deal. I'm Swedish. If I would read, this is kind of funny. If I would read Norwegian, I wouldn't understand shit, right? But if I would read Danish, I would understand it, like no problem. But if I would hear someone speak Danish, I wouldn't understand much. But if I would hear someone speak Norwegian, I would understand. It's like opposite. So in Britain, it's really easy to understand Danish, but not easy. Yeah, it's fucked up. I don't know. They just have they almost have the same words as Swedish, except they speak like they swallow the words, basically. Danes, I don't know if it's true, but the kids, they're like, compared to in other languages, they are the latest to learn how to speak it properly in age. Yeah, here we go. The cigarette, I need to fix that first. I'm just gonna open Krita here instead, I think. So I can... Yeah, I swear, Portuguese sounds like Spanish if you had a cold. Or Spanish if you spoke it with a French phonetic. Okay, that's good. I love French, though. I like French mentality. They're absolutely nuts. There we go. Why? Why? We go... Okay, I can't randomize the music because then it breaks. So I guess we're gonna listen to it in order. So I'm so sorry. How do you zoom in this? Let's see. I think the cigarette is on the wrong way. So let's see. Yeah. But yeah, this is how it looks now, at least the first chapter. There are some, like, he doesn't have any nice... we're gonna add expressions to him. But right now we need to... You know what? I'm not gonna do that now. He's gonna have another... Add new pose when leave the sig. Wow, it's so cool. Thank you. You should make it too. I mean, we have so many creative people. We could make a game, everyone. Everyone just go together, make a game. Yeah, this one I need to break. I'm gonna do that here. I'm getting so many errors though. I need to fix that. But it works, so I don't give a shit right now. Allowed bang. Allowed bang. Here we go. This one should be like this. Oh, yeah. Come on, we can't do... Oh. There we go. Fucking shit. There we go, and then we're gonna add this. That's gonna be better. Cherry, cherry lady. Oh, it already did it? She's gone. Rude person. The inner dialogue, I need to remove that. You shouldn't have that here. It should be... she doesn't go away properly, so we have to hide her earlier. There we go. Okay. How did you do the backgrounds? I can show you actually. Blender. Let's see how far I can push my computer here. By the way, did I miss you, Damien? I was eating dinner when I saw you. Yeah, I'm glad you did. I forgot I didn't have this on top there. Sorry if I missed your message. This is how I made the backgrounds, Kotya. So I have a Blender file with a that is turning the image into. It's basically if you ever use threshold in Photoshop, where you can make. Let's see if I can get a picture on how it works. Threshold Photoshop. So it's good when you do like screen printing and stuff like that. This is Obama. There we go. So you can kind of you select like which value you want to be completely black and which one you want to be white, right? And you can do a similar thing in Blender with a color ramp that is set to constant. So that means you see these colors here. I put one each for like left is dark and shadows, and the other one is highlights basically. So now if I move them around, they're gonna, you see, I'm gonna be able to do that and change it the way I want. And then I have a palette here that Vesper made for me. And then on the render, I add some filters to make it look like more painterly. This is because I didn't think I wouldn't have the time to make backgrounds. So it's easier if I just go outside, take some photos, and then I can add the backgrounds. I want to have a similar effect on the characters, but I don't think I will do that until later then, because the inspiration is Lane anime, right? And this is like typical. Let's see if I can take this open image. Please don't be a WebP. Open image in a new tab, please. So you see what I do with Lane, what I like is this blurriness. Kind of adding another layer like that. This is like 90s anime edgy stuff that I like. I would like to have some kind of similar effect on the characters, but I haven't done that. So we'll see if I do it or not. That's gonna require a bit more work, but I don't want to spend too much time on that. So where the hell was I? Yeah, I was in the game. I was changing some stuff. Okay. She needs to leave before he does. And I wanted to just instant out. Length 0. There we go. 0. So that's what I did, you know. And this doesn't work. Yeah, okay, so the random thing does not work. I can't do random. Then no, it's broken. It's broken. No random. We will just do it like this. Let's see. Well, yeah. The thing is that I'm doing it like 90%, 95% solo, right? And if I didn't have the concept art before I started to make the models, it would have been so weird, so hard to make. I asked for something simpler, simple, like that I can make a 3D model based on. And if I didn't do that, then it would have been hard. So I think when you make a project like this, you kind of have to... you have to kind of try to understand what you can do and what you cannot do. Like I didn't do any assets before, but you could do the outline. That was okay. And I started to work a bit on that, but I didn't know anything about the characters. Didn't know anything about the story. That's later. Yeah, there we go. Let's see if I can change that styles. Can you change? I'm gonna add typing. I have typing sounds for him. Doesn't have any typing sound. Okay. I need to fix this. But let's see. Why don't you have any typing sound? Whatever. I'll fix it later. There's no sound. Strange. The box. I need to figure out why the box doesn't go away earlier. Let's see. At the door. But it's very simple app. I think most people would understand this one if you don't touch too much of the engine itself. Hello, Amelia. How are you doing? So if you don't touch much of Godot in, like, if you just stick to this
Changing to the 3D
and
model.
don't do custom stuff, it's really no problem. I think. Goodbye. Have a nice one, listener. I hope you have a nice one. I'll see you. I'm gonna stream tomorrow as well, so I'll see you then if you want. If you're here. Let's see. At your feet. You're leaving it. There we go. Custom speaker box. Why? Should it be like this, maybe? Custom speaker box. Use style default. No, this should be his own. There we go. Yeah, it's Godot. Yeah. It's I'd say a lot. Some people say that, oh, this is shit. You shouldn't be using Godot. I get a bunch of stuff like that on my YouTube, right, where they talk shit about it, and I totally understand it. But at the same time, if you're just a small, like, if you want to make a simple project and if you have few people, I think it's actually a pretty good engine. I would guess that it's harder to get plugins, harder to get stuff done that you're not gonna find tutorials and stuff like that. This one, I think I'm gonna try this one. Sorry. I don't know why the text became so big, but yeah, this now I get a bug. But let's see if it goes away when it leaves. Okay, let's see now if it works. Ah, it works. Good. Okay, now it doesn't appear like that. I think it is kind of readable, but I should try to figure out how to make the text a bit more readable. Oh, no. What is this? I need to fix that. Let's see, which one is it? I can't really remember. Let's see. Oh no. That's good. But I reply to you on Discord because I need phone What are you doing? To do Twitch? Why don't you have phone verification on Twitch? You should get that. You won't be able to. In some channels, you won't even be able to write something if you don't have that. Just get it. I think we're in from forest. That is going to be a new one. Text. Start this over. Oh, there we go. Get your phone verification. Indeed, a good part of Twitch is fucking bricked. I can imagine, like all the nice people that are like that are all. Basically, you're gonna get all the nice people that you would probably enjoy watching. You won't be able to watch because they have that setting enabled that you won't even be able to talk to them. If you go to any channel that has it, they don't need it. Like my channel, because I don't know if the setting, I don't care about it. You can go to my shitty channel, that's for sure. So don't you know what? Don't get phone verification. Stay here. It's better. I shouldn't say anything. I'm getting a lot of lag on my poor old PC. Yeah, this one is almost done. Now I just need to fix some stuff. Yeah, there we go. I don't have a pet cat because my girlfriend is so very, very allergic to cats. But I did have 2 cats, 2 white ones. They were deaf. Now I have a cat. Ah, it's lagging. No, yeah, a lot of allergies. Wow, what's going on, guys? Encoding overloaded. Really? Maybe this will help. Or did you die? Oh, it was just Firefox. Okay. Yeah, have a good night, and I'll be sure to post the script maybe later if people want to help with that. But it's gonna be late during the week. There we go, I think. Okay, here we go. I need to fix that. I'm just gonna see if it's gonna look okay now. Nice. And she steps on the wrong side of the cigarette. So I need to fix that. Should I have... you know what? Should I have on this one? Should I have his head here? No. She's gone. Why is it inner dialogue? Why does that show up here? Why does it show up? Why is it enabled? Is it... Why does it show up? Default. This... Should I... Why does it show up? Let's see what happens if I do that. It's so annoying that I have to go all the way into it, though. I have to click through everything. Blah, 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 blah. Why did the text become strange? Text is to green. Boom. Boom. There we go. Make me up. This is not centered. Okay, let's see if we have if that shows up again. Why? Why is inner dialogue there? What is going on? Why does it show up? Let me see. What happens if I try another chapter? If I do the prologue, is it gonna be the same thing again? Please don't show up. It doesn't show here. Okay, this is strange. Why is it not? Okay, let's see. Why could that be? Let's check out the text editor. Custom speaker box. Yeah, that's inner dialogue. Okay, so that's the reason. Okay. Well, I mean, I can just do. I think I need to do that in the visual editor. Okay, no one. There we go. All right, I think that's okay. I have the background. He joins. Let's add another pose for him when he's talking to her, I think. Wait a minute, am I in the wrong? Yeah, I need to fix the cigarette. Okay, let's see. See if I have it here. I don't know if it's gonna be. It's not saved. Oh, I don't have the one where she stomps on it. That's too bad. Why don't I have that saved? That's strange. Thank you for the likes on TikTok. Then I kind of feel like I don't wanna. No, I don't feel like I have to do that right now. Then I'll do it later. Let's turn this off. This one. Then I feel like I need to do something else. Let's give him some reactions instead. So I want one where he's like thinking-ish, if that makes any sense. So let's go into pose mode. Let me do this. There we go. Okay, he's gonna be like thinking. Yeah. And I guess we're gonna do camera right, camera lefts. That's the one. A lot of these poses I'm gonna reuse, but the first chapter is like the base idea, I think. Let's see if I have one that is more. Yeah, this one. I can probably apply this one, right? This one, and then I could. I'm gonna bring this up a bit. No, we don't want that. We want you to bring. And it's gonna be like. There we go, like a thinking. Private Idaho. Let's see if I have a thinking. Neutral. Sad. No. Shading. We got shading on you. And it's gonna be... I don't have any thinking. Let's add a question mark then. Wah. Well, this makes sense. I don't know. It's not gonna work. Yes. I need to do that first. I think this is gonna be when he asks. Yeah, it can be at the end. Yeah. I think this one is good as it is. It will have some clipping, but it doesn't matter that much. You know what I could do today? I could just try to add a filter and see how it would look like. Create pose, and I think now it's gonna render. There we go. I might just do that. I'm just gonna compose it a bit. I think I tried to add it before. No, let's not spend time on stupid shit now. I need to focus. That's fine. Maybe turn him a bit. I think it would be nice to have it like in the end, where he's like thinking. I can't really see it. My head is so big, but it's gonna be like thinking a little bit. It's clipping like hell though. Wow. Yeah, it works. I think I'm gonna have it like that. I'm gonna make this one and it's gonna be for the end instead. I think. No, let's move it a little bit. That. Then we move him a bit to the left. It's fine like that. Create pose asset. That works. I mean, even though it's clipping like crazy, you don't really think about it because it's so abstract. That's fine. Yeah, that's good. I like it. Did the music app die again? Oh, okay. No music. Well, need to figure this one out. Oh, and you just need a refresh. Okay, cool. Okay, let's go for this one. Let's save this. Graphics, characters, lunar. Let's see, this is gonna be camera, portrait left. Thinking, sprite, lunar, thinking. There we go. I think I can add this one later. But I'm gonna add another one right away. In the coconut. Just gonna try to see how, if I can apply it again. Yeah, I can. Okay. There we go. This one, I want him to be a bit one where he's a bit afraid because she shakes up like that, and he's gonna be like, kind of, whoa, what are you doing? $20,000 girls. That's good. He's
Changing
gonna
to
be
the life to the
giving
model.
him a little shake when he does the. Let's bring this up a little bit. There we go. Gonna give him a little shake when he does the when she kind of scary, I think. Change the shading on him, and it's gonna be shocked maybe or scared, terrified. I think scared it's gonna be 0.25. I think fake smile, no, it's gonna be here. Gonna put that at shocked. There we go. There we go. Then we're gonna create pose and we're gonna render. Save this. Shocked. Other than a parrot? A parrot? Yeah. Wow. Maybe I should pause this. I don't need to run in the background. All right, let's see. We have this character. He's gonna have two new expressions now. He's gonna be shocked. Left. It's gonna be shocked. And this one should have 200, I think. 200. And we're gonna... What? Yeah, but this one is called shocked. New portrait. This one is gonna be called thinking. This one can be center, it doesn't matter. There we go. Hopefully I didn't break something. All right. Let's see. She's gonna be upset. Here we go. Shake. There we go. And it's gonna be update. Lunar is gonna be shocked. And it's gonna be leftmost. Animation. It's gonna be instant in, and it's just gonna be update. Let's see, shocked, fade in. No, default. Instant in. We're not gonna do any animation. There we go. There we go. And he's gonna have a effect. No, wait. No, it's gonna be a bounce, shake. Let's see if this works. And then at the end, it's gonna be here. It's gonna be when she leaves. This one I can. Yeah, this one should be in the center. No, this one can be. Let's just thinking. Let's see how this is gonna look like. I feel like now I don't need to do much except fix the text, and then there's nothing more for chapter 1 if this works. It's just that I need some variation when they talk to each other, I think. And this part I like, but the text is a bit weird. No, I want him to animate and bounce a bit. How did I make her bounce? Let's take a look. Maybe I can just do, you know what? Let's do random. And then I have to refresh this. Smoking. She's gonna be upset. Why did she shake? Update. Why did she shake? She shakes here, but why? She doesn't have any shaky thing. Is it because the text shakes? But that doesn't make any sense. Because she won't shake. Oh, here we go. Let's see. Shake X. Oh, okay. It needs to be longer. There we go. And I can do a repeat too, I think. And then he's gonna shake again. Okay, cool. It's really easy to see that there's still stuff they need to add to this plugin. Like, you can't really, let's see. You can't like jump properly to a certain point in the dialogue. You have to start over again. But at the same time, I think that might actually be a good thing. If you're making something, you have to look at it again. Okay, I think this might be the one. Except I need to fix that. There we go. A super crunch. Yeah, on this one he needs another pose as well. I think. There we go. That's good. Now he shakes a bit. That's good. Wrong side of the cigarette. I can't believe I did that. I actually talked on that on stream and I turned it the wrong way. Like stupid. That's good. Yes. She's gone. What a strange rude person. I think I should... It's me anyway. You look down on the ground. Next to the cigarette is a piece of paper. This part I don't know. I'm gonna add that to my notes here. Not sure. Paper. How to add. It's gonna be me and it's gonna be good up story. Because I'm not really sure. I want to make, like, I want him to find a letter. And I think I want this letter to be from himself. But he doesn't remember that I actually made it. So he's going to be like, huh, this is my writing. And did I make this? You know? Could it be a part of a letter? You keep it. There we go. That's good. That one is so good. Okay. Now there's going to be like something in between. But I think I'm going to go to chapter 2. I feel like chapter 1 is good. But there's some stuff breaking though. I'm just gonna take a look at this. Size overrated after ready. If you want to set size, change the anchors. Okay. Let's see. Well, maybe I should try to figure this out, to be honest. It works, but something isn't right here, so there's a lot of errors. 24 is when I swap the scene, but I have some ideas on how to fix that, I think. But... okay, let's take a look here. Fuck it. I might as well just fix this. No, not the cigarette. Partially running trade. No, part running trade. Not that much, okay. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can make this. I'm gonna just make a backup before I do this. I'm gonna save all of this. I'm actually gonna see if I can let's make a backup. Let's just name it 4. I'm afraid I'm gonna break this, so let's see. Like for the text in the prologue, I don't know. Like this is hard to see on stream, right? But I think for some people it's gonna be really hard to see on their computer as well, depending on your display or monitor. On some monitor it's super nice, it works fine, but on some it doesn't. So does my stream actually? I have to check if my audio actually works. Does my stream actually? It does work. Good. So I'm gonna see if I can enable the dark background again. Let's see. Where was that? Custom. Is it this one? See if I can close some of these. Is it this one? That's not the one. No, I think it's in Dialogic and then stars, the custom speaker box. This one, right? Yeah, that's the one. Why? Why? This won't do anything. I'm just gonna do that, okay? But we don't want that. Instead, we want to figure out why it is not black. Is it in the script? No. Full background? No. Self-modulate. Let's see what happens if I do. That's the text. Okay. Oh, there we go. I fucked it up. Yeah, there we go. I knew it. I knew I would mess it up. This one doesn't do anything, I think. I don't think this adds anything. It's not going to add the background. No. Why doesn't it add the background? Hey, thank you for the rose. Why doesn't this add the background? Custom, use global color size. Did I do this with in here? Yeah, there we go. That's the reason. We should have a little bit. How you doing? Thank you for the work lurk. Your work lurk? What are you doing? Why you work
What
lurk?
did Mudcat do? Spill the catnip, a bit the bird.
What? What? I know you did. Who spilled the catnip? Why is it so super uneven, this? Can it be like center? Wee. I know what. I didn't do anything. Think of the roses. That kind of works, but why is it... Does it look like this now? What happens if I just add 0 to this? 0. Is it gonna be not even showing up? Okay, that didn't work at all.
Changing to the life to
Hey,
the model.
errors. 1 rose at a time. Distance. What is this? 0. What happens when I do that? I didn't do anything. That doesn't work. Ooh, is there any way I can make this better? Like without... Modulate global color. Default style box. Beep, 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 beep. Wow. Is it? Am I even showing like using the text box? Let's see. Dialogic style text box with portrait. This one. AV. I don't know what AV means, but nice AV. What does that mean? Modulate global color. Is that the one? Holy shit, that's the one, right? Oh, that's the one? What happens if I select like orange, green here? No, green. Will it work? It turned into some weird green though. Would I do that? Does that work? It's super strange color, but draw center. What if I do like pink? Is it gonna change that too? Okay. So this is my border width. Why is it so? Corner radius. What happens if I add like 25 on each? Gonna look good? I don't think so. The heart. What do you mean AV? Do you mean AV? I don't have an AV. That's not my character. Content margins. Obby? You're Obby the bird? What did you do? I think I'm gonna go with black.
Changing to the 3D model.
I'm kind of afraid I messed it up now, so we'll see what happens now. I could add like a background, I guess. Modular global color. Then it's not gonna work. Then it's gonna use the global one. So if I use this, it's gonna default to my custom style box, I think. With the logic, I think. I think. But I don't want it to be so damn big, you see? I want it to be smaller, like text should be center. So I'm gonna see if I can figure that out. I mean, the text... I don't even know if I can move the text. Let's see if I can do it first here. Text. Alignment center. Yeah, well. Use global size, custom size. I think the global is just overall. I don't know. By the way, I haven't checked out your thing yet. I didn't have time yesterday, so I will check it out, the project. I really appreciate it. Which one is the text? That's that one. That's the text. H box? No, this is the one, right? Okay. Can I make this like center, alignment, center? That won't work. Can I make this one? Okay, cool. Okay. I get it. So I can do alignment center. No, that doesn't work either. Okay, why did this one work? Horizontal align. Horizontal align. This doesn't have that. Are they different? Label. Rich text label. How the hell do you center a rich text label then? I want it to be center. And I don't want this to be so big. Style. Wow. Styles. Team overrides. Constants. Shadow. Okay, that's the one. Auto wrap. Tab size. What is tab size? Markup threading. Text selection. How the fuck do you get centered? Alignment, right. Doesn't do anything. And this one. Top, center. That did work before. Let's see. Okay, that's strange. I could just remove that as well. Good. Now let's see. Auto wrap. How do you make? I wonder how you make the black like box adapt to this. Let's see. Is it this container? No. Is it this one panel? Oops. Oh no. No. Center. Ah, I'm fucking it up. Oh no. I fucked it up. Now I do a little bit of Eurorack stuff, but I don't do look at that. I don't do it much on video anymore. I'm trying to, you know, center left them. Oh, I fucked it up. Not much. The Eurorack stuff was super fun to do, but it's so damn expensive, you know. Center. Oh fuck. I messed it up. Why does it? Oh my god! How do I make it come back to the center? Ah! Yeah, it's like super expensive, and then also like for a long time I didn't know what to do. You know, I'm like, what should I do? Should I like? I don't know. I fucked this one up badly. No, I can't. It doesn't work. It's not doing it. It's not showing it. I don't know what I did. I don't know what the fuck I did. It's not centering it anymore. What did I do? No, this is the thing I hate about this. Ah, I guess it's gonna be on the side then. Fuck. Now it doesn't even show up anymore if I click. It doesn't even have a background. It's here, but it doesn't show up. It doesn't show up. It's just very, very tiny. I can move it, I think. Oh my god. And the problem is that it's saving all the time. So even if I close it and start it, I don't think it... Let's see what happens. 41 seconds ago. Ah, that's bullshit. It's not gonna work. Thing is, when I did Eurorack, I kind of... I don't know. It was fun. I made like... I didn't stream back then, so I had so much time just making like audio. And then... No, why... Did I miss anything? Yes, you missed everything. You missed everything. Okay, fuck this shit. Why did I even try to do this? Well, I'm glad I saved it. So I guess I have to like load the save. I made a backup. Oh, shit. Like how do you make this like go? Oh, what is this then? What is just a bunch of
faces? The donut chaos, embracing the sugary surprise.
I wonder if I can just take text box portrait folder from the other. Let's try that. You know what? Let's just try it. What happens if I just go into my backup? Okay, now we might actually break everything.
Mud
but I have
Cat's
backups.
game. Escape the mug, find freedom, embrace mixanity.
Let's make a Mudcat game. There we go. Let's see, this is gonna be text port, download styles. Text box with portrait. He wants out? No, I don't think so. Do you think so? I don't think so. You sure about that? Nah. Text. What happens if I do this? Yeah, remove. There we go. What happens if I take this and put it in here. Is it gonna overwrite? No, it puts it down there instead. Okay. That makes no sense. Yeah. Let's just open this instead. See if we can drag the circles. Select it again. See if you can make it look before by dragging the red circles that appear. The red circles. This is not a red circle. These? Resize control. Okay. That didn't work. That was just broken. Fuck this shit. Why does it save? Why does it save even though you don't want to save? It doesn't make any sense. Let's just overwrite it. Let's see. GitHub. I don't like it. Oh, text box, switch portrait, delete. Why does this one have so many folders and so many things? Why does the backup have so many things? But the game itself doesn't have that? This doesn't make any sense. I just copied a folder and I have a bunch of stuff that isn't in the other one. Let's see if I'm breaking everything then. I think I might have to restart. We'll see. How is this possible? This is not possible. It's changing some other settings. No, this is not possible. The backup isn't even this. It's something else. So the settings are not even saved inside of the scene. That's so bad. Wow. Are they kidding? That's absolutely garbage. Is that how it works? It doesn't even save inside of the scene. It's like saving somewhere else inside of Godot. What? So you can't like use a backup? What the fuck? This is stupid. And it doesn't even have the files here. It's like removing them or something. What? How do I fix this? Oh, I hate stuff like this. When you try to do something, you have no clue on how to do this. I guess I have to like redo it. Because I don't want to do it again, to be honest. It's too much work. I mean, this... What is this? There we go. Is that the one? Why could I move it? Okay, it's up there, but... Is it using the anchor? Okay, let's see. Maybe I can just do something ugly here. Why doesn't the text show up? This is messed up. There we go. Why is it? Why can you change the size like this and it doesn't even show up? I think it's because of the plugin, right? Let's see, is it this one? Okay, so I'm just gonna make a little box. It doesn't even need to be. It's gonna be this little thing. I think it works like this. So I have this little guy here. If I put it here now, it's gonna be at the top end. I think. And it's super tiny. Okay, Okay. How do I change like the size? I wonder if I change the size, can I change like reset? Oh, I see. Okay. Layout mode. Okay. Now it's centered, I think. Am I fixing it? It's gonna be super tiny. Very nice. Hmm. Tooltip, no. But I wonder, how do you reset the transform size? Let's do 800. What? This is not 800 times 800. This is because it has changed the size somewhere else. Transform. Yeah, this. What? What the fuck? Okay. Transform. This one is fine. I wonder which one I should actually change the size on. Is it this one? What happens if I do this? You know? Oh, this is stuff you need to do in like a tutorial. Oh, wow. It's all skewed now. Okay, so this one I can't change the size on. That's bad. So it can be like that. It's just the anchor, right? No, it's not. No, absolutely not. Okay. So this one I can have big size on, but this one, transform, you should not have any transform. Portrait panel, no transform. Name label, you should not have. There we go. Portrait container, transform. There we go. Panel. Scale, there we go. I think now it's gonna be normal. Yeah, there we go. Okay, I get it. That's weird. But okay, if I take this and just put it in the center, it's gonna be in the center, I think. No, it's gonna be up there. How do I make the anchor? Oh, the anchor is all wrong. Layout mode. There we go. Position is gonna be inherited. Okay. Can I make layout based on local? No. Layout on anchors. Center. Center. There we go. But this is gonna be broken anyway. I think. Yeah, it won't work. The anchor is wrong. Can I move the anchor? Oops. I can't. Why is it like there? I want it to be up here. Position? No. Anchor. Top left. Full rectangle. Custom. Top left. Top right. I want it to be center, but why isn't the anchor like the correct place? Let's say panel. Offset. Scale. So that's a scale. A regular node, okay. How do you how do you move the anchor? Using the scaling tool, the one used with S, use that changes the scale of the panel, not the size, which are two different parameters. What? Why can you scale then? What's the point? Why do they have this? If you can't do that. If it's not connected to the other one. That makes no sense. But it's good to know. Thank you. Then I understand what's going on with that. I think this will work. No, it will not. Okay. But why is the like here I try to like this. I want this one, the anchor, to be in the center of this symbol, this thing. Why is it not doing that? That makes no sense. Do I need to detach it? Should I move this one? Then just put it like at the correct place, maybe? Let's see. Okay, I'm not gonna move it. I'm just gonna see what happens. Okay, I shouldn't do that.
Changing to the life to the model.
Yeah, you missed everything. I'm gonna keep saying that you miss everything. You missed everything. Everything you missed. Okay. There we go. This. No, that doesn't do anything. How do I move it? It is like here. Why can I move it now? But I cannot move it here. What happens if I do that? There we go. Yes. We have successfully done it. I have done it. Yes. And this, if I... There we go. I have done it. Yeah, it's by the plugin, yeah. And it's kind of... the stuff that I can't change, that I don't want to change, because I don't know how. Like, I'm kind of... This is kind of hacky, if that makes any sense. So there are like things that I could potentially make my own scenes that are like custom, but I don't know how it works. So I'm kind of limited with what I can do. So that's why it's kind of like a hacky thing, you know. That didn't work at all. Wow. Anchor is here, but does not work. Center left. So we can't really like get into how you should do things properly. That's not gonna happen basically. I think I can move this one. Why can't I change it now? Why could I change the size, but not now anymore? Anchor. There we go. Okay, it's up in the left, right? What happens if I move this one? Is he gonna be in top? Okay. Probably need to like redo the theme. Like me, I'm doing this with like no knowledge at all. That's why it's kind of frustrating. That's why when we don't know much, then you're gonna do weird stuff like this. Is it scaling though? Why is it over there? Can I make the anchor like be in the middle? No, I'm fixing some graphical stuff right now. And I'm working on the prologue. This one. When you change the position, it doesn't show on the Is it because it's using the anchor position? And don't worry, you don't need to help, by the way. It's fine. I'm gonna try to figure it out. Otherwise, I need to just make a new theme. Yes. It's almost in the center. There we go. And that didn't work at all. Here we go. We're doing it. That's how it works. All right. Anchors. Inherited. Position. All right. I get it. Full. Top left. No, I did it again. I fucking did it again. Oh. Okay, now it's just gone. It's fine. I like him. It's unless you prefer it. No, I like it, but understand that we're doing it the weird way. I don't remember how I did that again. How did I make it show up last time? Where did the green... Why did it just go away again? Dude, this is fucked up. The green, like, icons are, like, gone. I think I have to just redo it from scratch. All the dialogue. Or like load the other. I'm afraid that if I load the other one, it's not going to work because it looked like it copied a bunch of stuff that aren't even in the... I don't know why this did this, right? I don't know why this one doesn't even... No, it doesn't even show anymore. You see? I did it again. Okay, I'm gonna try to load the other. We're gonna break it. So let's see. Oh, I watched it, but it's a while ago. It's a good show. Let's break it. There was one today. Let's break it, guys. Yeah, backup. Messy. There we go. It's going to be called backup messy. We're going to take this. We're going to put that there. And we're going to start Giddo. When I say the anchor node, I mean the thing called anchor in the center. The thing is that the plugin seems to be... Yeah, I think the plugin is like... using a bunch of I can show you the code. So basically, you want to if you want, it's a bit intuitive. I don't know why they made it like this. That whenever you like want to make a custom theme, it kind of the original theme kind of overwrites it. Are you fucking kidding me? Did you... How can that be gone? It's the same fucking folder. No, it's just gone instead. Ooh. I don't know. I haven't watched it. Okay. I fucked it up. Messed up. Why is it that it didn't save everything when I copied it? That makes no sense to me whatsoever. Why didn't it save everything? Why didn't it copy everything? It makes no sense. What is it doing? No, I have backup, but the backup, it has files that the other one doesn't have for some reason. It's super strange. Listen, I just have to do it again, basically. I wonder if I can pull. But will that mess it up? I could try. What happens if I do that? I don't know. Maybe. Let's see. No. We are not pushing this. Let's discard changes. Let's see what do we have here. We have the this one. Discard. Shatter one. Title screen. That works. There we go. I think. How do you how do I do that? Like merge it. How do I roll back? How does that work? How do you roll back? I don't understand this shit at all. Testing. Pull. I don't want to commit. I want to pull. You know what? Let's just remove all of it. Let's go select discard. Discard all. There we go. Will this work? Will this actually fix it? I don't think it does anything, does it? Nice. So that's how Git works. All right. Good. Nice. Now I understand that. Now I learned something new. Fucking hell. Ah. And okay. I have to redo the first timeline again. Oh my god. I'm gonna leave it as it is, but the problem is I just want a background that is like under this text I just want a black background that kind of fits the letters. That's all I want. And I don't want this background like block that is too too big. But I'm sorry, but I need to fix like stuff on the first one. Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff here that I need to add again. And I think the character, yeah, I need to add this again. Shocked. Wow. Oh, it's not gonna be here anymore, will it? No. Why did I do that? All right, let's we're gonna do everything again. There we go. This one is fine. I can save this one. Pinky Papa. Hey, thank you for the follow. What a mess. At least I have these. That's good, you know. Fake smile. Religious? No, that's not the one I want. This is gonna be 1, I think. No. 0.75. That's the one I want. Yeah. No. So I have to redo everything with the dialogue, but it's fine as long as it works now. I'm probably not gonna touch that part at all because I think I'm just gonna keep breaking it. But Git seems to be like it's a good thing. I understand how it works now. That I can just remove it from, and it's gonna go back again and fix the changes. So that's good. Let's see if I can. What the fuck? That's very good. Why are you not doing the thing I want? No? Okay. That's the one I want. This is gonna be save as sprite lunar thinking. Thinking. There we go. I guess that's how it is sometimes, you know. I think that's the one I made, and then I made. Did I make this one too? No, I only made 2. Okay, we're gonna add shocked again. And it's gonna be, let's see. I don't remember what I did actually. So 200. Gonna avoid. Are you confident sharing the project files for the game? No, not at all. If you are, I think I could try and mess around with myself and see if I can understand. No, you will not get the files. This is a project that I'm making on my own, and I need to do it and I need to learn. So no. Also, that would be like then it would. If you did that, we would just work as a team, and I would have wanted that as at the start if that's the case. I mean, for future projects, sure. I mean, but I'm a beginner. I need to learn. You know. No. Don't worry. Because if you would fix it, then it wouldn't help me because I wouldn't understand what you've done. That's the problem, right? So at the same time, you would fix it, but it wouldn't really make sense for me. Yeah, you can do that. I mean, sure, have a link. Dialogic. There we go. It's just Dialogic.pro. There you go. Wait a minute. That's not the wrong. You're on this one. There we go. Go for it. Basically, I don't. Basically, so here's the deal with the plugin is that since I haven't used Godot very much, Zib, hello Puffy Eds. I don't know how like. Because Dialogic is like making themes and custom things that I can't touch. I can't make it. I can't change it properly. And if I do it, I don't know how. You know, stuff breaks. So I kind of just try my way forward. And if I go to like the Discord and I ask for something, they just tell you, oh, it's easy. Do this. And I don't understand what they mean because I don't know the app good enough, you know. There we go. Hello, Brieflof. Okay, so let's fix this again. I'm gonna do this again. Game dev for you. Wait, no, not the prologue. I hope it looks the other way here. Oof, there's gonna be a lot of stuff that I need to fix here. This is going to be here. Argue. Why do they argue? Here we're gonna change the prologue, Calgo. How are you doing, Brieflop? Looking up some tired, I should leave. No, it's gonna be the same. I think I can just remove that. It's gonna be correct. You're so close to my goal. What goal? I don't even know what goal it is. This is the truly surprising me to think about it. That was fine. Custom box style. Why is it doing this one? Can we move that? Custom box style? No, I can have this one. No, this is gonna be custom. Okay, so custom speaker
Changing
box.
to the
And
3D
then it's
model.
gonna be Gago. For followers? Do you like chocolate? I love chocolate, I guess. I think I like licorice more. I think. Custom speaker box. That's gonna be right. Luna smoking. You can't see their face, but they're looking away. There's gonna be this one. Decide if you can get their attention. Default. Questioning. That's the one. They look at you. Remember, we used to be friends.
Snack time.
Snack time. Thank you. Thank you. There we go. I might as well ask, what's your name? I don't know. I don't have a favorite game. This is fine as it is, right? It's gonna be the custom speaker box. If you had to pick one, I am a cat, but of course, I'm not a real cat. It's just a green virtual cat. But yes, I do like chocolate, and cats actually like chocolate, but they shouldn't eat it. You know, they eat it anyway, and then they die. If you had to pick one, I get this question a lot, and I can't really answer it. I'm so sorry, because I don't know what game I want, what game I like. You know, that's the problem, right? There we go. It's gonna be update, and it's gonna be lunar, and it's gonna be having the shock. Then it's gonna be shake, and it's gonna be 2, and it's gonna be no fade. All right. I don't know. What's your favorite game then? On why did you say PS4? I have PS5, but I guess same shit. I guess. Did you forget that too? Custom speaker. No, they're laughing and having fun inside. Leaves takes another smoke. I think this is the one. At least they are having fun. There we go. And then I think that's why I'm here. And then when they leave, no one takes one of that and leave. Here we go. This one. This one is too much. Just gonna do another text. And this one. Thank you. I'm glad you like it. It's very old now. It's like almost 2 years now, I think. I need to make an upgraded one. I've learned so much in Blender, so it should be easy to make something better. That's for sure. Man, I didn't make much progress today. Default, background, center. She's gonna leave here. And it's gonna be none. It's gonna be instant out. And he's gonna center. And he's gonna be using his thinking. And it's gonna be this one. There we go. I think this will work. Let's see. I think I fixed most of the stuff again. Whew. I'll have to figure out how to make custom themes. And me, if you take a look at Dialogic and you kind of figure it out, please tell me. Because I'm not really sure how it works. Like I would, because that's just, it's not really needed, but it's pretty much just for readability for people. And when you have a bright background, it kind of, the colors will kind of make the text melt into the background, which isn't very good. I think that works. It's fine. I'm gonna leave it as this. It's not even centered. Look at that. Like this. Now it's super hard to read the text. Maybe I can add a white outline as well. It could help. The best would be to have like a... You know what? I have an idea what I might actually do. I could just add a... Maybe I can just add a blurred out background, like image into that scene, and it's gonna show up. And then I can like hack my way doing that, you know. Like here, if I would have like add like a blurred out PNG or something, it could be good. Like here. Okay, here I need to fix that. This is the one. That's the one. We were in the forest. I wonder why we were there. There we go. I think it holds up. Yeah, I think I don't need to do too much. If sweater and scarf make it feel so cozy. That's good. Yeah, the sweater and scarf. That's my brand, I guess. There we go. This works, dude. Now I was able to fix it all again. Now I understand how Git works. That you should, if you make changes, you can just go in there and then just delete stuff that you don't feel like you want, and it's gonna be fine. Yeah, it's my branding. The scarf. If I ever make a logo, it's gonna be the cat with the scarf. That's what. In the dialogue, okay, I need to remove that. Okay, good. I kind of fixed that again. Whew. That was intense. I almost had my almost died inside. But I think I understand how it works now. Now I'm not gonna touch that scene until I might actually touch the, like, do stuff to the other scene, but that's gonna be in a different project and where I can just experiment. There we go. Screw it. I'm not touching that. First chapter is done and not doing anything to that. I know it works now, so I'm just gonna push this so I don't mess it up again. Yeah, this works. This works. Don't touch. There we go. Ugh.
Mudcat savors chocolate, a
He loves
perfect
chocolate.
treat for the green feline.
Yeah, go for it. Go for it. He doesn't understand. He's like, I'm gonna eat this shit. I'm gonna die. He loves it. Okay, let's fix the prologue. Let's just take a chapter 2. He loves chocolate. Yeah, did I have any backgrounds for this? It's late outside noise, a car passing by. Rain is in the air, but it's always. Street light gives off a hypnotic sound. I mean, this one is legit. This one works with the color, the background. Take the shortcut through the woods. Would it be better to? It would be nice to have a image of him where he's walking. Again. Oversized sweater? Hell yeah. Just a normal cat. This song is absolutely crazy. I have an idea. Let's see if this actually works. There we go. We're gonna change to is it this one? Wow. What? No, that's not the one. Is it this one? That's the one. Then I'm gonna go into post mode and I'm gonna spin him around. Wow, swagger. What it means? It means laughing my ass off. It's a very old saying. It's old internet. Means laughing my ass off. Old internet. Then you can also say LMFAO. It's laughing my fucking ass off. It's a bit newer though. I think they even made a band called that, I think. I might be wrong. Oh, that's twisted. Wow, computer. Okay, me. Just thinking. What would be nice to kind of understand for me is that in this plugin, you can create your own styles. Basically, you go in here and then you press the plus here and then you can create your custom styles. What I don't understand is that then you get a file. This one is called custom text box with speaker portrait. When I go into that, this file, this is the file, right? That I almost messed up. I'm not sure if you're still here. Maybe you're not. And these, I know it has like a script from Dialogic, but I want to change stuff to it without it changing everything else. But it doesn't really work. I really don't get it. That's the problem. And I think I need to like work more like doing traditional work in Godot before I can actually understand what the hell is going on. I don't think it's super needed right now. Yeah, but I think I'm gonna like get into it, understand it better when let's see, I have this running. It's heavy. When I've been making other projects later that are like platformers and whatnot, then I'm gonna like look at tutorials in a different way. Then I will probably have time to plan for something and kind of understand that. This doesn't make any sense. It's so clippy. I'm just gonna have it like that. Who cares? So if my answers are delayed, by the way, the stream delay is huge for me. It's a bit longer on YouTube than on Twitch because of the encoder. So don't worry, I get it. Walking back. There we go. Save this. There we go. We save that. Now I should. I think I'm gonna like copy the project and then kind of fool around in another, like try to do weird stuff in that, and then put it into like translate that to the main project before next time I do anything weird like that. Because I'm not comfy enough with breaking stuff right now. Walking with back turn. There we go. There we go. Let's put that into there. Okay, let's see where we end up here. No, not the prologue. No. Let's do this one. That's nice. Can't hear what I'm saying. What? Is it broken? Don't tell me it's broken now. Meow meow. Tell me it's broken now. Don't tell me now. No, it works. Meow meow. Tell me it's broken now. It does work. Don't tell me now. No, it works. I don't know. Seems to work. Let's see. It should be. It's a running trail. Let's see. Let's add a character, a lunar, and it's gonna be center, and it's gonna be walking with back turned. Kushan Squid, Kushan Squid, how you doing? I think this can be just. Oh my god, the music. Brrr. Okay, see what happens after it. Okay, we're gonna play the timeline. Is it my? Let's see if it, I don't think it's on my part. Let's see. How's Kushan doing? Could it be on my part? I don't think so. Let's try. Azugout, that's me. Let's see. Do we have any? That's the stream. Azugout, that's me. No, it works. You even have the audio in the background. Man, the quality is so much better here than on, even though it's not full HD. Do we have any? That's the stream. No, it works way better here. The quality is even better on Twitch and YouTube. I don't know why. Azugout with said. What? Why? Okay, let's see. What the fuck happened now? I can hear it's just fine on Twitch, but for me it's fine on when I go to my YouTube. It's fine. I can hear it's just fine on Twitch, but for me it's fine on when I go to my YouTube. Also different user ascended bop. It's pretty cool. Is it are you just fine on Twitch? Oh, this one works as well. Fine on when I go to my YouTube. What the hell? It's fine. Strange. That's strange. It must be your browser then. Muted because of music?
Changing to the live to the model.
What? Is it muted? Browser then. Is it muted? Muted because of music? No, it's not muted.
Changing to the live to the model.
What? Is it muted? Browser then. Is it muted? No. It's fine. It works. It was a problem. I mean, doesn't matter. To me, it doesn't matter which one you watch. But there's going to be a bit of a delay on... Is it muted? No. On this one, whatever you do, to be honest. Strange. It's the Dialogic add-on that is messing everything up. It's breaking your computer. Why did it move like this one? Ultraman. I listened to the music you added with. You gave me the Ultraman thingy. Fade cross. Let's see. I might have it. Must have it some sort of shortcut. Something hit something. That happens all the time. Don't worry. No, I shouldn't play this one. There we go. And I should change actually on the game main scene here. Not the game, but it's gonna be the title screen. We're gonna change that. No. Title screen. There we go. Forgot to change this. We're gonna remove that. And we're gonna on the label here, it's gonna be called When We Were. There we go. And now I think chapter 2, this is gonna be okay. I need to add another background here. This one I can't use, it's just a placeholder. This I'm gonna change here. He walks for a bit. See if we have any comments about this in the Krita. Didn't I have Krita open? There we go. More furry game, Jay? Me? Making furry games? Yeah. If that's what you mean. He walks for a bit and reaches a portal looking thing with a display on it. I need to change this. With a display on it. And it's gonna be... I'm gonna add something in the middle here. I can do it later, actually. It's pretty late. Okay, let's see if I have other images for this. Let's see if I can make this scene. Really pushing my computer to the limit now. Backgrounds generator. Let's see. Do I have any other like forest images? This one is pretty good, but that's the loading screen. Can I take this and just make it dark? No, that won't work. That's pretty cool. Okay, we're gonna make placeholders. Let's go. It's gonna be doing that. Let's make a placeholder for this. Where's Krita? Let's actually do it. Let's close Krita, and I'm gonna open Inkscape instead. Don't need this now. Let's see if I have a placeholder, I think. Background placeholders. I think that's the... Yeah, that's the one. House in background. This is gonna be leave in middle of road, and gonna middle of leave in the middle. Right there, she's gonna be in the middle, and we're gonna move that here and save this. Let's make a new one here. I can just move this to no, let's move it here. Chapter placeholder. I'm gonna call this placeholder. Placeholder. Leave in on tray. I think. Leave. I'm gonna leave tray middle. Export, replace. Where's my game? There it is. Custom text box. No. Background placeholder. Leave on train. Background. Oh, I don't have any. Okay. Let's make a new one called placeholders. There we go. It's gonna make things easier. There we go. Portal. I need to have the portal thingy, and he's gonna walk. Walk through it. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff I need to do here. Portal looking thing. thing. There we go. Oh, let's go. Gonna be called placeholder. Portal looking thing. And oh. Don't tell me it didn't actually do it. Why didn't it save it? Ugh, did it? Oh. I have to say the Dialogic doesn't have super good tutorials and stuff like that. There hasn't been that many. It seems like probably one of the best like visual novel thingies, like tools, but it's kind of gatekept because there's no like tutorials for it. There's a few ones, but they don't really tell you much about everything. So if it becomes bigger and more popular, I think it's gonna be way more like it's gonna be better. But right now there's not much to it. There's gonna be her background. Let's see. I think that's gonna better work. Wait, I might as well do this. It's gonna be like this. Image of road. New image. Road. Walk. Road. There's a lot of stuff that I need to fill up with this in the story here, I feel like. So background placeholder. Do we have anything like... No, not bad apple again. Let's see, this is gonna be... What was this? Image... image of road. No. Oh, he's removing it. Is that good? How are we doing, by the way? 9. That's a lot of people. Let's see. The Vale Road. Luna begins to walk home. There we go. I think that's gonna be better. Now I'm just planning with, like, wait a minute. That should be already here. Nexus. I don't know what that means. OP? What is that? Wait a minute. This one should be already up there. Now I'm just trying to see, like, making what's it called, placeholders, so I can understand what I'm gonna have in the posters and stuff I need for this typo. This I like though. Should it be in the middle though? Maybe I should change it to the... I want to try that. If I do this, what happens if I put this in center instead? Let's try that. I think it's time to do random. Let's go. Super mix. It's 1 hour and 30 minutes. That's pretty late. Pretty late for me. This now is going to be a new path. It's going to be dark. But I'm going to first see how it looks like when he's centered. Yeah, that's better. What happens if I add another, like I duplicate this and kind of move it down here, and then add like a... What happens if I just... Can I spin it around? Like... No? Huh. You can't do that? Okay. Chapter 2. Portal looking thing. What if I just take this image? What if I make a new... Okay. Walking with back turned flipped.
A bit of bird's sweet surprise warms Mudcat's heart. Positively delightful.
Why? He doesn't want that. Why? No. Walking. What if I take this one and just mirror it? It's gonna look like it's walking to the other side. I don't know. No, that won't work. Let's remove it. But I might actually... He wants out. But I can't do anything. He doesn't have any legs. He's just a blob. Okay? He's just a fucking blob. That's all he is. It's not possible. Okay, now here we go. We're gonna have leave in the middle of the road. And here we're gonna have scared. Wait, what's that? Here we're gonna swap. Character is gonna update, and he's gonna have another. It's gonna be leftmost. Free him. I can't free him. He's just... I can't do that. I'm so sorry. He's gonna be dead. Oh, I just got a message on like a Craigslist thing going on here. I might actually have to answer. Just a second. Fade cross. I like the fade cross. I think I might have to answer a message. Just a second. I sent a message for a person They're selling radiators. Radiator? Is it called that? Like this? And these used ones that I can have in my art studio during winter. Because it's so fucking cold. I couldn't be there much last winter, so I want it to be possible now. Let's see. I think this is gonna be cool. Oh, that's awesome. This looks good. Watashi Vampire? Is it called this? What? Well, I can imagine this one went hard. This one is good. It's really good. Need a trail in a minute. Instrumentals. That's awesome. I should have gone to that.
Changing to the 3D
I was
model.
offered a free, paid, except for the hotel, trip to Miku. I think it was in the Netherlands. But I said no, but for some reasons. But I kind of regret it sometimes. That was before. I'm just gonna check something on my phone. That was before my. Before they did a TV. See, I need to answer a message here, I think. I have to send some messages. Just a second. How the hell do you paste? Sometimes I feel like a boomer when I'm using my phone. I don't use my phone that much for complicated stuff. I usually just use my phone for phone stuff mostly, and scrolling TikTok. There we go. It's all gonna. I found this amazing deal. They had a couple of used. This doesn't make any sense for most people, I guess, but radiators, right? These, radiator, I think, like this. But they're used, but they're so cheap, and it's gonna be so good for me to have in my studio, because I need a couple of big ones that I can actually use to make the room kind of okay temp, I think. Just a second. I can't have tracking now because I'm holding my phone and it's just gonna die, basically. It's gonna be stiff. Hey, you can see, actually, if you want to have my stiff tuber, you can have stiff tuber.
Balloon head. Perplexing
No,
situation.
don't do that.
Indeed.
What the fuck? Let me type. I have to answer. It's Craigslist. If I don't answer, I'm not gonna get my radiators.
Green grass tickles Mudcat's paws. A natural
Love
playground
green grass.
delight.
Wow. Is he more... Who's Craig? No, it's not Craig. It's something else called Blocket. It's like Craigslist, I think. You just talk to people and they sell shit. And is it usually... You have to be on the hunt, you know? Because otherwise someone's gonna take it. You have to be on the hunt. There we go. Man, I absolutely hate... my fingers are too big for typing on phones. I should just shave them down to make them like needles so I can actually use a phone keyboard. I know it sounds strange, but maybe that's an option. Maybe I have to do it, like do a surgery and fix my fingers so they work on a phone. I wouldn't mind like a phone physical keyboard, you know, like they don't make that, do they? Like this, it might actually be better. But it's not a thing. It's just that my fingers are, my thumbs are too big. So when I touch every keyboard ever, they make cages. What? Physical iPhone. I don't know. Do I have iPhone 12? Maybe. What? But that's gonna make it 10 times bigger. That looks stupid. It would be better if it's like flipped like this. Would be cool. Are sliding keyboards available? Oh my god, it's so big. Look at that. That's not viable. That I'm not that like it's not that big of a problem. If it was like half the size, then sure. Like sliding it out would be cool. But no, it's never gonna happen. Okay, let's get back to business. From now. Just a second. There we go. Just a second. I have to answer again. There we go. There we go. I love this song. This is good music, dude. Now it's doing the right thing today. It's randomizing the good stuff. Man, TikTok is absolutely dead today. That's fine. Last Productiva song. Don't remind me. I think it's so sad that they stopped it. Kyusha! Did you see that Simon lost all of their data? No backups. I have my stuff everywhere. Like cloud and like a hard drives. 3-wave? Yeah, triple wave. Okay, let's see. Okay, now he's scared. That's good. Then she needs to turn up So now we're gonna see if we can make her crouch up in the background. Let's see. Let's try. Now we're gonna try that. Let's go here and do. Oh, I don't. You know, Obi, I don't understand why they stopped Project Diva. Why didn't it make? I think it was very popular. It probably made a lot of money, but they just no. We're not gonna do it. So I was fucking pissed off. I don't. And it's not very nice. They shouldn't have done that. Let's see. Hair solid. I don't understand what they're gonna make. Exactly. What are they gonna make instead? That because they could have worked and they could continue with that and made so many titles people would love. But no. What should they do? You know, it makes no sense. It's just shit. Stark Saki, clone of Noah, or Noah, god of Ultraman. I don't know. I don't know anything about Ultraman. I guess I'd say Noah, god of Ultraman, is gonna win. I think. Okay, now I'm gonna see if I can make like a crouched up version here. So we're gonna make the front. Set active camera. We're gonna make a new camera as well, and it's gonna be like this. This is gonna be the it's gonna be leave on road.
Snack time.
Snack. Thank you. It doesn't work. There's no snack here. It doesn't work. Sometimes it broke. It's broken. Let's do this one as active camera.
Snack time.
Snack time. Did I do it? Nice. Did I do it? Did I do it? There we go. Why are you laughing? Did I do? And it's just flimsy like this. That's how we. That's how I eat in IRL. I just do this, and eventually I'm gonna hit my mouth with the food, and if I'm lucky, you know. And I'm like, oh, did I do it? Yeah, you did. Congrats, dude. Absolutely, absolutely nice. It's called being really stupid, and I'm it. There we go. No, not this one. Do we have any? No, this one we get all. Do we have any Mikus? What is this? Machine Girl. Yeah, let's go. This one is good. Can we have? Can we do plus? Can we like this? To the likes. This album. This one, yeah, I haven't played the game, but this album is fucking. You mean this one? Yeah, the game is actually on Game Pass, Neon White. The game looks amazing, but the story is apparently terrible. But I don't know. But I want to play it, but I don't want to play it on. Wait a minute, what did I do? I don't want to play it on. You don't like Trial and Error? I love Trial and Error. Don't you like games like? I think I'm just gonna do it like this. Don't you like games like? The hell is it called? Oh, I don't remember. Ah, the mountain climbing game. What the hell is it called? About the girl. Or the transition. Let's see. What's it called? Oh my god. Mountain climbing game. Oh. It's so good. It's like one of my favorite games. Everyone likes it. What the hell is it called? Not getting over it. 2D? Girl? Celeste. There we go. That's the one. This one is super good, but you have this trial and error. Neon White was good. Yeah, Celeste. But I don't know anything about the story, but I think there's a bunch of people that don't like the story because they kind of they don't get it. But I probably wouldn't mind the story. I don't know what it's about, to be honest. Celeste. Yeah, Celeste. Yeah, Celeste. Awesome. I want to play Neon White, but I don't want to play it on... I don't want to play it on... I think it looks so cool. And the gameplay looks like something I would like. But... Is it furry? I don't know if I want to play it with... I want to play it with mouse and keyboard, not on... controller. I love when this song is kind of changing to the other bass. It's very cute. Like, I'm playing South Park game. The South Park game are they still like? Are they okay? Are they still going nuts? South Park like making fun of everyone. Do they like do they care? Do they like adapt to what people think is right or wrong, or are they still going nuts? I emailed South Park. Why? Green European cats? No. No, you did not. Let's see. This one should be able to... Wow, that's so glitchy. Look at that. Well, we're not gonna see her like front anyway, so we're gonna spin her around. There we go. How will I make this work? Maybe I need help with posing this. Maybe this is gonna be hard. What is this? Oh. Crouch. Let's see if I have my reference. I love South Park, but I think I don't know. Do they? What I like about South Park is they make fun of fucking everyone. You know. Did you make your YouTuber? Yeah, I did, Yuria, on YouTube. I did make my VTuber. This one's pretty good. I think it's already in my playlist, maybe. See, backgrounds generator, no. Yeah, this is one of my VTubers. I have other ones. It's changing every 20 minutes. I was about to open my draw files. IDs and sketches, I think. No. No. Was it this one? This idea, I still want to do that, but... Was it chapter the crossroads? No, it's not here. Outline sketch. Is it here? This is the one. Should I burn my
Meow
house?
Burns, keep your house cozy and safe. Meow.
Should I burn my house? Probably not. I don't recommend. Always on top. Let's see if this helps me a little bit. It's gonna be crouched up like that. We're not gonna show the... This is gonna look fucked up because she doesn't have the correct, like...
Changing to the live to
I
the
need to
model.
bring that up too. You won't see it. Yeah, it won't work, but no one's gonna see it. I need to fix that though. Should I burn my house? How? Wait a minute. How people house get burned if made of stone? Well, even if it's a castle, it's not only made of like stone, you know. There's gonna be other things inside of that. So stuff inside will still burn. So even if it's a castle, I guess it will be able to burn. But the stone will still be there, even if it burns up, you know. And I don't endorse castle burning or anything like that, okay? It's probably even against the TOS to talk about burning houses on Twitch, so you know. Probably. Friday Chinatown. Oh, fly. This song is so fucking good. Makes me wanna fly to Chinatown. There we go. Let's see. It's gonna look weird. Hey, it won't work because I need to make a pose. How do I make this look better? I need to bring all this up. Probably need to like change a bunch of stuff because yeah, it won't work. Maybe I need to make it with the other side. And you're gone. No, let's do it like this instead. There we go. Don't talk shit like that, okay? It's like I've had this feeling for that this person would go like sometimes. Well, let's see. Altough VTuber is a cat. And speaking of cats, what's your favorite breed of cats if you have one? I don't have a favorite one. I like the ones there. What's it called? Siamese? What they call Siamese? With the colors, I think. Siamese cat. These, I think, very What's going on here? Yeah, well, I think these are very cute. I don't know why. But in general, I just like cats. I like cats. Friday Chinatown. Yeah. What, Obi? Yeah, I was about to say that sometimes as a streamer, you have this user that kind of shows up and you know that they're gonna... But after a while, you kind of start to understand that something's not right. They're gonna do something weird eventually, you know? So, and yeah, this is not gonna look good. I need to figure this out. I love pets so much. I have a dog, that's it. I wish I had a cat, but maybe I should get a fish. In life, forever changed. What pet did you get? Bird? Okay, I feel like this one won't be... This one won't be good. Maybe I need help with this one. Yeah, it looks so damn blocky. Maybe I need to draw it instead or like redo. You won't really understand what's going on here. Maybe if I just instead have like, I could do it like this. And just have the character like... Like that maybe. What is going on here? Was it because it's not attached to it? Okay, I get it. Maybe like this. I have two cats. A dove? A dove? You have a dove? I get dove. I'm like, my algorithm on TikTok is like doves. It's like doves. It's just doves everywhere. Doves and yeah, that's about it. All the time. Where's the dress? There we go. They seem so personal, you know. They seem so nice, doves. I used to have budgies. Many. I had 7 budgies. They had egg. And out of the egg came another budgie. Baby budgie. Yes. Little one. And then they have egg again. Many eggs. Those are really sweet creatures and they're easier to take care of than parrots. Yeah, they are like made. They're like... They're made for being pets from scratch. Or they've been like that for such a long time, I think. So it's not that hard to have a pet dove as far as I know. They seem to be very loving. But how's the poop? That's the only downside having a bird is that they poop everywhere. And you don't want them to like... When I have my budgies, I'm like, I don't want them to be stuck in the... You know... In the cage. I want them to be... Want it to be open for them. If that makes any sense. I mean, that kind of works. And then I could bring down the... Is more... And then I kind of have to hide all the broken stuff. How does it behave together with the other bird? Doves don't make much sound though, right? They only make the little woo sound. If you get banned, you get banned. And you know why. Yeah, his coo isn't allowed as the... Well, the budgie is just gonna go... You know, I love when they have like a sound. Budgies have like a sound for when they're super happy, right? But then when they get angry, sometimes they just get a little bit upset. They have this really For me, it sounds so funny. They're like making this really fun sound when they're arguing ish. He's sad because the other buddy passed away. He's a boy. Just let him do whatever he wants. I guess he's gonna be a bit sad, and you don't have a mirror. I mean, you can have a mirror, but I don't know if it's very healthy for them to have that. They kind of go insane, you know. So no budgie. I don't know if it's good that they have the. It could be good, but I don't know. Let's have it like that. I mean, it's kind of glitchy this, but whatever. Whoa. Then I just have to cut it. So, yeah, I was hanging out with him, but they get sad. They still understand that a human ain't a bird, but the budgie extra vitamin because his bird ass won't eat veggies. Of course he doesn't like veggies. You can give him like salad, I guess. Yeah, our birds really like that. I'm not sure. Okay, I'm not sure if this is something you should give to a bird, so don't listen to me. But muskrus. During summer, you could give them this, you know. They're absolutely crazy in that. But then their poop all green, you know. Maybe you can buy it, huh? Let's put salad in there. He's gonna eat it, maybe. Dandelion, yeah. The dandelion. Chickweed. What is that? The hell is this? Never seen this. What is this? Yeah. And then at least these one, I don't know if you have dandelions where you are. I know in some countries they're like super rare, but they're everywhere here. It's like invasive shit species. But you can just take this and then you have, if you in the cage, you have a clothing line. Klemma? I don't know. I don't know what it's called. The thing you have, like a. He's really upset about the other budgie. Maybe my plan is to spend a lot of time with him next month, but he's still a bit sad. I might see if there's a flock he can join with someone else. Can you just let him fly around? Maybe he's just grieving, you know? It's gonna be better later. The fucking tail is messing it up. I might actually have to do this in a different way. This pose kind of works. I think. Like that. But then I need to bring this up more. Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Dress. Yeah. It's because her head is so big, it won't really work. Hello, cloudy days. How you doing? You having a cloudy day today? What is this? Sounds cool. I like this. Clipping, baby. We're gonna be clipping all day. Can be like that, maybe. At office? No. Why? Office sucks. Why? Can I just move this? Let's see if I move everything down a little bit and it kind of cheat the system here. Maybe that works. Let's see. No, it won't work. This one. Oh. It's gonna look so weird because if I... Yeah. It's so crunchy. From the back, maybe. Sometimes things doesn't work out the way you want, basically, and this is not it. It's so clippy here. You know what? Maybe I can work around this. I have an idea. Okay, let's clear these. Clear asset and clear asset. I would like to work from home. Oh, I work from home. Yes, this. So that's how I do this schedule this week. I think I have a good schedule. I go to my office, and then I stay there, and then I go back. Of kind of. I think I figured out. But the style system. So I'm gonna see. I'm just gonna save this pose here. Like when you make a style, like in here, if I make a, let's lower the volume a little bit. If I want to make a new style, I kind of go here, right? And I can make pre-made style, and I can make a custom style, and I can also make a style absolutely from like here, full layout. But when I'm doing an entire full layout, which I think that would be awesome to make a full layout. Like here, I think I have one here. Let's see where it is. Custom, full custom, right? So this one. I don't know why I call it that. It has all of these. And I can move them around as I want and stuff like that. But even if I move this one, you see I moved this one up here. And this is supposed to be character 1. It doesn't affect it. It doesn't work. You have to do something in here, like in the exports or like the scripts, and they are already connected to a script, and that's kind of the script that is deciding what it should be because of the export, I think, and the tool. So I don't know how exact. I don't really understand how you make custom ones without breaking the original like base theme. So for me, it's kind of confusing, but I think I don't know, kind of need to like this one. This is the one I wanted to change. Was it? I'm not gonna go into that file and mess it up. Basically, I want the text to have a black. Okay, let's see here. If I go into my chapter, the prologue, right? There. I would like this to have around the text. Around this text, I would like to have, and I already hacked this. This was supposed to be like in the middle and stuff, and I moved it up. I want to have a black text around this that is just going around it, and it's not going to be like wider or anything. It's just going to be around the text. That shouldn't be too hard. I have something broken here. Check selected, nothing found. There we go. So maybe no, maybe background text behind text Godot. Let's see. Color of a label. Rich text label. Add a color rect. I'm gonna try something just now. Let's see. Let's just go to default. Where's my title screen? Maybe I can. What the fuck is this? Test scene. Okay, that's my test scene. It's lovely. Let's remove that. What happens if I add a text label, right? Is it rich text label? And then I add text to this. Hello, I am cat.
Changing to the 3D model.
And it's super small. We don't want to theme override. Font size. We want a normal font. Let's do 100. And it doesn't work at all. Hello, I am cat. Can I? Oh, thank you for the follow. Let's see what you're called. Malby. Hello, thank you. Hope you're doing great. Is it possible to have a just behind the text? I would like that to be. Can I do fill? Is it that? Is it fill? Let's see. Style fill. Fill style Godot. Is that it? If I would like to have it like a background. New style box texture, maybe. Modulate. No, nothing. That doesn't work. I don't know. Fill maybe? Can I have like black background? No. I wonder how that works. If I want like if I would like to have like, you know, when they have like subtitles on TV, I just want black around it and behind it so it's easy to read. That's it. Nothing special. Let's see. Let's Google this. I'm gonna check on YouTube. Background color, the rich text label. Let's see. Don't tell me you can do this with BB code. Don't tell me you can do this with BB code. That's the one I want. Does cleave damage. Okay, let's see what this is. Don't tell me you can actually do that so easy. Please don't be BB code. The effect I understand. Scroll following, okay. Do we have create a new script for item? BB code is how you do text effects like this in Godot. BB code? Yeah, it sounds kind of funny. But it doesn't show me the background. This is just effects. Okay, this is the worst tutorial. Yeah, rich text effects. No, I want background. I don't know, dude. I don't know how you do it. Let's see. Background, color, wrap, rich text label. Background color. Is it color rect? Salt, put a color rect behind. Okay, let's just try it. Color rect behind. Is it gonna be okay? Also found a set color on the canvas item, visibility, self-modulate, black. But that won't like fill it. Add a sprite to it? Yeah, I guess, but no. This is kind of what I want to do, but, but why is it still... Should it be the other way around? Yeah, it should be like that, right? But how do you make it like exactly like this and all? If you would add more text, how do you make it like stick to it? I would like it to kind of, you know... Like, yeah, I guess I could try to figure this out. But this isn't too hard, you know. But the problem is now, if I add more text, nothing's gonna happen. Egg. Layout properly on this one. Clip contents. Clip contents? I don't want to do that. No. Let's see what happens here. Word. I don't know. This is something I have to check out later, but screw it. So that would be nice. The problem is that then you have to make it interact with the dialogic. Oh. Then you have to make it interact with the dialogue. Holy fuck. There's no logic. Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna figure it out in another way. I'm not gonna do it like that. Okay, let's see if I can make this one. I'm gonna make a render here of her, and then I'm gonna save as, and then I'm gonna see if I can make like a dark version of it. It's almost time for me to end stream actually. So I'm gonna put this into photo bashing. There we go, and it's gonna be called leave back. There we go. Dialogic. I think it's best to just avoid. But otherwise, you know, one thing that kind of made me inspired by using the dialogue system is that I would like to make a fetch quest game. But it's going to be about a character that is only like in a static environment. It's going to be a square. Like not a square as in the form, but as a place where people are. And then you're going to go to people and you're going to take quests and you're going to help them like deliver stuff to the little square. And it's going to be a day and night cycle. And and then I would have to like use the dialogue and kind of have to figure out how to do that but in a different environment. I think it would be cool. I think it would be easier to do that. You want to do by making a unique version of the default visual novel dialogue. Yeah, but that's the problem, right? I don't have the know-how to do it. That's where we at. Okay, let's see if I can I will get there, but it's gonna take a long time. I have to think for the next project after this is gonna be something that is similar in a way, but it's gonna add something to it. So I have to practice something else, like some kind of code or understanding the app better, stuff like that. I think that would be best. Secret though, it's gonna be photo bashing and it's gonna be leave back. Let's see if I can make this one like black. Like that. And then we just blur it a little bit. And you know what? Let's save this as a new file. Save as Krita, leave back. And then we're gonna place how do you import? How the hell do we import something? Let's just duplicate this then. I don't know this app very good. And when you make something you want that is not standard in framework, you have to make a lot of works around. I think it's best if I would have learned it from scratch to make a visual novel system myself, then it would have been so much easier. That's the downside of using like pre-made stuff. Unless you don't want to touch it, unless you just go for the absolute like standard, you don't touch anything, then it's gonna be fine. You know, it's gonna be no problem. But when you start doing shit to it, it's gonna break. Cache and blur. There we go. No, I want this one to be like. Do we have a filter? Can we change the? I think that would be good. Filter blur. Gaussian blur. No, not Gaussian. Do we have other blur? Motion blur. Can we do both sides? Can we do all? Let's do that, and then let's just go Gaussian blur. No, I see what I should do. No, that's fine. How is your overall impression from Godot? I have used it for. I followed a tutorial. I actually did this a long time ago, where I followed a tutorial how to make a platformer, like a basic platformer. I followed the one with the fox for Unity, right? And then I did the same thing, but for Godot. And for me, Godot was a bit more friendly for a beginner, I think. I think if you're a beginner, it's probably nice. It makes more sense to me. But I feel like Unity is more powerful. It's a good engine, I think, but and I'm pretty sure you can make a bunch of good stuff in it. It's just that I don't know. I think it feels good for me as a beginner. That's I think. What if I just do this? What happens if I save this? Let's try this. I'm just gonna try this. It's just that when you use a plugin, it feels like there's so much there that you can't touch, that you want to do things, but if the plugin is ever as super good, so you can change everything and it makes easy sense. Which pre-made I've been using two different ones, but it would be the one with 5 characters. I would like to have that, and then just add the layers on it. But instead, I used the one with the box. I'm gonna show it just a bit. Let's see. I'm gonna save this first, because if I try to say this in Word, it won't make any sense. Leave back. So I'm in the wrong folder. Let's just put that here now. There we go. There we go. So where's Godot? Here. Oh, here. Well, there we go. I'm gonna save this just in case. I'm gonna see so everything works before I do anything. It works, okay. So what I've done, this is a mess because I've been trying to figure out stuff, and then I'm gonna try to clean the project later. But now I'm afraid of like removing anything is gonna break. It means English VTuber. It's super stupid, but basically you're either a Japanese VTuber. Japanese VTubers are way bigger than English VTubers, and then you can be an English VTuber, and they can identify them differently. We English VTubers are not even close to Japanese VTuber. There we go. Okay, so let me show you prologue 1. What the fuck is this? What happened now? I don't know. That doesn't look good. Nice editor error. So this thing here in the middle, like this text in the middle for this, when they talk, the different people talking, that is actually based on custom speaker box. Speaker box. That's the one that is speaker text box style. That's the one I just took that, and then I made this one custom in the middle, and then I can go in here, and that's the one that looks like this. That's the one I almost messed up. There's just a little box here. This in the middle. Should I be using that tag? Go for it. I mean, if you want to. I think it's good, but am I using that tag? I could be. I don't know. By the way, I don't have much time left. I have to end stream soon, just in like 10 minutes. Because I need to get ready for Vesper coming home. I need to make some food and stuff. Let's see. Back. Turned. Let's see if this one makes any sense. That's kind of cool. Could work. It would be like the thing I would like to have the most is just a custom theme, like one custom theme that is narrator, and it would be stuff that I could customize that is just made for the text in the middle and nothing else, you know, instead of doing it hacky like this and changing themes and stuff like that. So there's a bunch of stuff that's missing, but that's what I would love to just have in the middle. Like that would be awesome, and like a custom one that I could just use. I tried to do it myself, but then I went to the Discord and I asked them, but I felt like I shouldn't get into this as a beginner because they think I know more than I say, you know. It felt a bit weird. Let's see, I'm gonna put this in the, where's my timeline, dude? There we go. At least I can make this, you know. Chapter 2. Why is this here? Why is it not loading the chapter? Don't tell me you broke, dude. Oh, it can't update it? I think it's broken. Let's restart, Godot. That didn't look nice. What's this? Nah, not. That did not look good. I hope it doesn't happen now. Okay, I'm gonna save. Create branch event in base margin container. Object derived of. I think it's broken. Holy shit. What's going on? I didn't do anything. It still works, but the editor is just broken. Did I have a bug now? This kind of works, but I can't load the chapters. Is it because I added the... What the hell? Please don't break. Don't break now. This works, but why? What? I think I encountered a bug now.
Chaining to the live.
There's an
today
error showing
model.
up here. See if I load. Is it gonna work? Prologue. That works. Can I click here? I can. There. We have an editor error here. Add-on style logic, editor timeline, visual invalid type, and create end branch event. End branch event. Oh, there's some kind of error here. Did I... Should I remove this maybe? Let's just remove that. End branch event. Let's just save and... I'm kind of worried I broke the thing now. Okay, I'm afraid I might have done something weird. I don't think I did anything, but I think it might be broken. Of course I'm going to have a lot of trouble with this. It's not going to be smooth sailing, right? So now it seems to work. If I click here, it's going to break. No? You know what? Let's close all of these. Just one by one. Be careful. And like that. I'm going to close this as well. I don't know what this is, but... And then I'm going to press here. I'm going to save. Right. The current scene has no road. No, okay. But 7. What? Okay, this one. I don't know what this is. I don't need it. What is this? Chapter 1. Okay, what if I go into dialogue now? Is it gonna break again? No, it seems to work now. Okay, let's try. Chapter 2, you work? Good. Okay. Now I'm gonna save. And I'm gonna make a backup. How did he remove the portrait part of the portrait display thingy? Glad you asked. Because I don't remember. But let's see if I can figure it out. I think I remember. So we go into style. So this is one of the things that were weird. So I think you might actually have to do it here somewhere, right? So this is one of these, right? I think it might be this one. But there's a script somewhere. Oh, I don't remember. I think there's a script you have to uncomment something. Oh, I don't remember. I'm so sorry. I don't know actually. I don't remember. I'll try to figure it out. I think I had to uncomment something because for you it still shows up, right? Did you do a full custom? If you made a full custom theme, you have to make the objects unique. So you have to right click them and make them unique or something, because otherwise they're still connected to the main one. So if you start messing around with them, you're gonna change the default one as well. That's super annoying. It's like, what's going on, you know? Okay, let's see if I can add her here. There we go. Leave, and it's gonna be on the center, I think. Then we're gonna have. Wait a minute. You don't have your. Is it because I added it? Let's see. Is it because I added the back turned? Okay. There we go. Center. Fade in. This is gonna be a 2-second fade. It's gonna be center. I managed it, but it's hacky and it causes the text to appear too far to the right. Yeah, that's the thing, right? Yeah, it appears too far to the right. I figured that out somehow. I don't know exactly how, but it's super hacky. I wish they actually just made like a theme so you could swap to another layout that would be just the narrator, like center text. If you figure out how to make your custom one from scratch, that would be super good. I'm gonna show you something that if you figure it out, I'm gonna be so happy. I'm gonna show you something soon. I'm just gonna see if this looks okay. That's actually pretty good. I can work with that. Okay. And then I'm gonna hide him. So there's a thing. Let's see. In this editor, you can add a background, right? Over here to the right, right? Let's see. There we go. Background, where is it? This one. There we go. And you can also, this is weird why they didn't like, I'm gonna zoom in a bit. Why they didn't make this one like this. You can actually see that you can select different things. But with the background, you can actually have your custom scene. But you need to add like a background extend thingy. It's in the what's it called? You're supposed to be able to add a background as a scene, and this you can also select an image that will be connected to that scene. And this would be super nice if I could do, because what I want to do, let's see if I have it here in my IDs. I have this ID. No, that's the wrong one, right? No. That I want to, if this makes any sense, I want to have the background like this. This is just from a YouTube video, music video. I want to have my background still in the background and then have like a image in the center like this. I think the easiest way to do this is just to have, yeah, it's in documentation exactly. I think the easiest way to do this is just have a character that is images. This is for like cutscenes that I want to add, but I don't know. I thought I wanted to make like custom, like playable movies and stuff like that, but I didn't understand. Okay, I'm just gonna move here. I'm gonna have to end stream today soon. Yeah, basically a background inside a background. I want the background to still be there, but I want to like have my custom, like maybe give like short animations or something in the middle. But I'm gonna figure it out in an easier way. Hello, Carmine. I'm just about to end stream. I'm so sorry because I need to do things. Let's see here. I think I have an idea on how I make this. So she's gonna be in the center, and we're gonna character Lunar will update, and he will No, we're gonna leave, and he's gonna animate. He's gonna slide out left. But otherwise, pretty good app. You know, you can make a lot of. I think it would probably be very useful in another. You see, I actually added this one. I'm afraid this one goes away sometimes. The sort of little shadow on the text. It kind of just removes itself sometimes. That was the wrong way. But this kind of works. I think I can use that. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna end stream. I've overdone a little bit too much today. I'm gonna continue working on this. I'm gonna start to write other chapters tonight, and I'll be streaming the same time tomorrow. I mean, let's see. We have someone. I don't know how many are we. 8. Let's see. You know what? I'm just gonna skip raiding today. Thanks for sharing the workflow always. Yeah, you're welcome. I hope it's fun to watch. Today was a bit of a struggle. I almost broke the entire project, but I'm learning stuff. Can't you see pink cheese, green goes? What? Thank you for stream, Cat. Yeah, and take care of you, Budgie. And I'll be back at the same time tomorrow. Maybe a bit earlier. It depends on how much work I get done for video editing. So have a nice offline time. Yeah, I'm gonna sit in my studio and draw. And slam the keyboard and use my brain power and try to figure out new things for the rest of the game. So have a nice one. I'm just gonna end it here. Bye bye, everyone, and thank you so much for the help me. I'm gonna check out the project tonight, I think, with the signals, and kind of check that out. And we can look at that tomorrow, I think. I probably won't be able to make it the first half of the stream tomorrow. Then no worries, no worries. I'm gonna stream all week and anyway. So anyway, bye bye. Thank you. Let's see if I can do the end stream, and there we go.